Now, the central government has constituted a committee to verify the claims that have been made by Pooja Khedkar. A single-member committee chaired by a senior officer of the rank of the additional secretary of the government will submit a report within 2 weeks. So, trouble mounting for the trainee IAS officer. The central government has also constituted a committee to verify the claims that have been made by Pooja. A single-member committee being chaired by a senior officer, the additional secretary to the Government of India, will submit a report within 2 weeks. Remember, the Pune police have also reached the house of the controversial trainee IAS officer. My colleague Shrishti is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Shrishti, trouble mounting for the trainee IAS officer. Police officials have reached her residence. We understand now a committee will also be looking into the claims that she has made. Take us through the details of what are the charges against her, the fake claims that she allegedly made.
Well, of course, a single-member committee will be probing the entire matter. Additional secretary level officer will be probing the entire matter and would be submitting the report in next 2 weeks. Now, the claims which she has made is regarding the non-criminal OBC certificate. Now, her father declared almost 40 crores of assets in last year while he was contesting elections, Lok Sabha elections. Then how can a person go for OBC non-criminal certificate? Its threshold is 8 lakh rupees for a family. So this is questionable. However, she has opted for reservations under medical category, wherein she has mentioned that she has multiple disabilities, wherein she mentioned that mental illness and visionary issues are the problems. When she was asked to go for a medical examination at AIIMS in Delhi, she refused. She tried to postpone it almost 5 times, 6 times. She went ahead. However, that was not completed. When she was asked to do a MRI, she said that I am suffering from claustrophobia and that's why I won't be able to do. So these were the reasoning that was given by the Pooja Khedkar. However, this was put up in the tribunal court, as she only filed a petition regarding the same. Tribunal court mentioned importantly that if any candidate postpones or didn't cooperate in the entire investigation of medical tests, then their candidature is liable for cancellation. And that was the important point mentioned in the tribunal court's order. However, she got her posting. Importantly, whenever an IAS officer is posted anywhere in the country, he or she doesn't get home posting in first year, second year, or for even 5 years. However, she got home posting in just few days, and that's really questionable. Now, the entire things which I just mentioned will be probed by a single-member committee. Now, we talk about her particular Audi car, on which she has put up a beacon, red beacon. She has put up a Maharashtra government board, and that was questionable. On the same lines, and to probe into that matter, yesterday police came here to put up a notice, to give notice to the family. However, they refused to open the door. The door is closed since yesterday. This is the nameplate of the family, but that was also removed from here. You can see in the visuals that this was the place where the nameplate was put in earlier, and this was a designation place. However, that has been removed by the family. Now the entire probe will be done by the single bench committee, and its report will be submitted in next 2 weeks.
Okay, all right. Shrishti, thank you for joining us with those details. It's a developing story. We continue getting you the details. The police officials in the latest have also reached the residence of Pooja Khedkar.